Welcome back again, Peter Rabbit house. We're coming into the master bathroom here. Behind me you see a bunch of framing. Right in front of this is a wall that's going to be a full slab wall with a glass door on each side. The one side over here is an infrared sauna. And then here we're going to have the bathtub. Inside here is a steam shower. And this is what we're going to talk about for a second. Steam shower will have full slab surround. And then on this half wall, this partition wall between the sauna and the shower, we're going to install glass so you can see through. And something that I wanted to point out about a steam shower is that it does produce moisture, and that moisture clings to surfaces. If we keep a flat ceiling in here, all that moisture will rise and hit that ceiling, and it will start to drip from the entire ceiling space. What we want to do is create a slope on that ceiling so we can direct the water to the low point and run it down a wall. So in this case, we're going to make this back area here about 3/4 of an inch lower than we are in the front on the entrance. We don't want to have water dripping down over the front of the door. We want it across this back wall, so water will ideally sheet that direction and then come down the wall. Let's go look at the infrared sauna real quick. So this wall here, as you look at it, you're going to see glass door there, and the entire wall surface will be slab. The slab will wrap inside of the shower. On this side, we're going to use cedar. And our subcontractor that's doing the sauna, they'll come out, they'll measure, they'll cut the pieces to fit. In here, we do have to we're going to have some seating. The seating will have some LED lighting underneath of it. Then we'll have an infrared unit that gets installed inside here as well. And then again, in between the sauna and the shower, this will be a glass that you can see through and you can see into each side. As we make more progress through this build, you'll be able to come and see some of these spaces that we're creating, as well as others. Thanks for joining, and feel free to continue following us on Peter Rabbit Remodel.